Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In a time when fun and smart AI products keep popping up, we're exploring the most valuable ones in every field. Today's spotlight is on sports prediction. If you've been relying on gut feeling and stats to guess game results, you'll definitely be interested in this product, Mysports AI. And let me tell you, this isn't just another tool that claims to use AI. Here, AI is at the heart of everything, genuinely calculating and predicting sports outcomes in real time. Maybe you've tried tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or other so-called AI models for sports predictions. You probably know it can get complicated or even feel a bit generic. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what makes Mysports AI different. I'll walk you through its features, show you how transparent and realistic the predictions are, demonstrate how it compares to other AI tools, and give you a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Let's get started. Quick note before we dive in. This video is not financial or gambling advice. It's just a review and demo of an AI tool that helps you analyze sports data more efficiently and transparently. Mysports AI is an AI-powered sports prediction platform that analyzes real-time data from over 100 leagues, NBA, NFL, EPL, Champions League, and more. But here's the key difference. The AI here isn't just a buzzword, it's genuinely running attuned AI models, crunching player stats, injuries, weather, and countless other factors to deliver highly accurate picks. And what really sets Mysports AI apart is its transparency. You're not just taking the platform's word for it. You can actually see the prediction history and results for yourself. Now that you know what Mysports AI is all about, let's dive into the pros that make it stand out. So what makes Mysports AI so different? Here's what I love: true AI-powered predictions. This isn't just marketing talk. Mysports AI uses a specific AI model to generate data-driven, easy-to-understand picks. Everything updates automatically, so you always have the latest and most accurate information. Massive data and information. Mysports AI utilizes algorithms and data analytics to forecast outcomes in various sports. It aggregates vast amounts of information, like historical data, player performance, league dynamics, and so on, allowing users to get predictions based on comprehensive insights rather than gut feelings. Smooth and visual interaction. Forget the long-winded conversations with AI chatbots. Mysports AI offers a more streamlined experience with clear options, visuals, and charts that make comparing and predicting results fast and effortless. Transparent and real. Prediction records. You can check the platform's real prediction history and performance stats anytime. It's all out in the open, so you know exactly how the AI is performing. Personalized strategies. If you want use it to serve your pocket, Mysports AI lets you select your preferred strategies based on your own budget and risk level. The AI then tailors its predictions just for you, creating a personalized experience that's hard to find anywhere else. But you might be also wondering, how does Mysports AI stack up against other popular AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek? Here's where Mysports AI really shines compared to other AI tools. ChatGPT, great for chatting and general info, but you need to craft detailed prompts and interpret the results yourself. DeepSeek, good for data analysis, but it's not tailored for sports, so you'll spend more time setting things up and making sense of the output. Mysports AI, purpose-built for sports prediction with a clean, user-friendly interface, real-time odds, strategy backtesting, and direct sportsbook integration. Plus, you get real, transparent prediction records and personalized strategies based on your needs. No tech expertise required, just click and go. If you want to save time, avoid the learning curve, and actually trust the data you're seeing, Mysports AI is the clear winner for sports fans. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to get started and use Mysports AI for your own sports analysis. Getting started with Mysports AI is super straightforward, and the whole process is designed to be user-friendly and transparent. 1. Head to the official website and register using your email or another method. It's quick and secure. 2. Get comfortable with the interface. On the homepage, pick your language and select your preferred odds format. 3. On the left side, click Sports. Then choose the event you're interested in. Hit AI Predictions to see the latest match info. 4. For detailed predictions, click AI Predictions, Moneyline. Here, you can review both past and future predictions. For upcoming games, just click Generate AI Predictions to get fresh, tailored insights. 5. Want to chat directly with the AI? Click GPT Predictions and ask anything you want. Get instant, personalized info and strategies. It's really that simple. No complicated setup, just honest, data-driven, and easy-to-use sports analysis with Mysports AI. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts on responsible use. Remember, Mysports AI is here to empower you with trustworthy, transparent, and data-driven sports analysis. It's not a guarantee of profit, and this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, not financial or gambling advice. Always be aware of risk, please. If you want to try Mysports AI for yourself, check out the link below. And if you're into AI tools for sports, business, or daily life, don't forget to visit AIPURE for more awesome resources. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions or experiences with sports AI in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.